Hello friends, very good morning. So my name is Pankaj Sharma and you are watching this on my channel Dear Life. So today morning is a wonderful morning, as you can see here in my surroundings. The greenery, beautiful scene, and the birds are humming over there. So this is what I was just thinking while I was pondering that what really does matters. If you have not seen my previous video Success Secrets, my request to all of you, please do not miss watching that video where I shared about how you should start your morning strong. And it is said that how you spend your first 30 minutes of the day, that your entire day proceeding depends on that how you spend your 30 minutes, initial 30 minutes. So early morning time is the lovely time where you're full of energy, and your mindset, body set, heart set, and as well as your soul set is so fresh. So start your morning strong. Do a morning walk, do yoga, do gymming, do running, whatever you would like to do it. Don't miss it, because when you do it, it will allow your neuro system, it will allow your brain to secrete the neurotransmitters. Those were very much important for you to remain active for whole day. So now I am sharing with you one of my own story. I remember way back in the year of 2012 when I was in Jabalpur, and that was the time that when I was coming back from my the field work, and after having the exhaustive field work, I was about to get my food from some hotels and some restaurant. I picked it up, and after picking up my food, what I did, I stopped at one of the place where someone came to me all of a sudden, and he was asking for some money. And what he said, that please give me some money to eat a food. And I just ignored that person. I was just thinking that this person looks very healthy, physically fit. Why he can't earn his bread and butter? So I was just thinking that this person should not be given any money. And I picked up all my that food from the hotel and coming back to my home. And believe you me that when I reached at my home, I opened the gate of my the residence. The moment I opened that, the bag of the food was lying there on the stand of my bike. And suddenly, what happened? A dog came over there, and he just picked up that food which was lying there on the stand, and my entire food, the eatables fallen down over there. So when I came back after opening the gate, I found that this food was not there. So that was the moment I just thought about, that person who was asking me and requesting me to give me some food. And that really opened my eyes that how much important is this, that you need to consider the request of someone, look into the eyes of a person, that how much is he needy. Possibly or probably that person was much more needy than me, much more hungry than me when it comes to the food. So this gave me the lesson to learn that when somebody is asking and requesting, do not ignore that. Have you ever faced such situation into your life? Because these small incidences gives you the learning for the life, and which you can carry along with you for the remaining part of your life. So my request to you, when somebody really comes with the request and asking you, and you may be one of the hope for that person, maybe you can offer your help, you can offer your services, you can offer your food, you can offer money or whatever it is. Do not miss that opportunity to help someone. Like I missed that opportunity to help someone, and that was the moment God might have thought of, just gave me this lesson, and which was very useful for me. Share your thoughts also on this. Have you ever faced such situation, encountered with such kind of incidences into your life? Post it in the comment box below. I'll be happy to see your comment over there, and wish you all the best. If you are there in the morning, if you are not starting your morning strong, I would request do something to make your morning strong. So remain healthy, stay fit, stay energetic, and stay positive. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.